Hello girls, in this video I'm going to talk something very important for all of us women. I'm going to share an amazing product in this video which will be very useful for a lot of women. Coming to the point, I am going to share about panty liners. Yes, panty liners. This is really an amazing product for all those women who have problems related to vaginal discharge or urine leakage. I'm sure we all women understand that how do we feel when we have vaginal discharge or urine leakage, and this panty liner can save us all from all these troubles. If any of you have problems related to vaginal discharge, urine leakage, smell due to discharge, then you must watch this video till the end. So now before we go to the point how panty liners can be useful for us women, let's talk about which brand panty liner we should use. Well, there is nothing better than the Everteen Daily Panty Liners. Everteen Panty Liners are made up of 100% natural cotton surface, which does not cause any irritation and provides you with instant dry and soft feel. Everteen liners are thin and comfortable, designed to make you feel like wearing a fresh panty. You can see the negative ion stripe used in Everteen Panty Liners. It helps prevent bacterial multiplication and eliminates odor. Everteen Panty Liners keep you dry all the time with its breathable layer, which keeps the moisture away. If you want to feel fresh and clean entire day, every day, then best is Everteen Daily Panty Liners. These are perfect to use in between periods, for unexpected period, for backup for tampons and menstrual cup, for urinary incontinence, light discharge and maintaining daily hygiene. Everteen Daily Panty Liners will protect your panty from the spots and will also save you from the embarrassments when you're out of home. Now coming to the point, where the hell we need this daily panty liners? And my recommendation is, it is must to have for women. With the promise of keeping you dry and free from moisture down there, panty liners are making everything easier for women today. Your genital area demands certain requirements and most importantly, your specific attention. Thus, if you don't want to suffer from regular and unwanted problem, then you must pay attention to your feminine hygiene. And panty liner is an important aspect of feminine hygiene. Panty liners, less like sanitary napkins, are a good way to ensure healthiness of your genital area. How? I will tell you point by point. Just pay attention. For vaginal discharge, the first and foremost motive of using panty liners is to handle the vaginal discharge. Almost every other woman would agree to the fact that vaginal discharge is nothing less than a big complication. Thus, taking care of this discharge is very important. But how can you exactly do that? Use Everteen Daily Panty Liners, which help in absorbing the discharge instantly and prevent your clothes and underwear from the whitish and yellowish stain. Everteen Daily Panty Liners for feminine hygiene prevents all these feminine hygiene or intimate hygiene issues. For urinary incontinence, urine leakage. Urine leakage or urinary incontinence is quite a common problem among women. Some women leaks when they put little pressure on their bladder, and it becomes quite annoying and embarrassing sometimes. It may happen with you when someone cracked a joke, or you laugh out loudly leading to urine leakage, or when you're out there and bend down for something, and when you sneeze or cough. If you're using daily panty liners, then you're certainly not worried about it. A panty liners just keep your down area intact, dry and clean. For unexpected periods, if you are the one who experiences irregular periods and you don't know if you may bleed during the day or not, in that case, daily panty liners come as a saver for you. For before and after period, you are a woman who keep a track of your period but still feel that you may bleed before and after the period. To keep aside this worry, daily panty liners are the best protection for you. For after intercourse, you may sometimes feel the secretion of your vaginal fluid or your man's semen slipping out of your vagina. Panty liners are just the best way to keep you worry-free in such incidents. For keeping your innerwear stain-free. All above issues can cause stain and spot on your panty, which is totally unexpected. Whether it's vaginal discharge, urine leakage or expected period, all that can stain your panty. use of panty liners are the best to keep your panties spot free from all these issues. For sporty activities, if you are a woman who is involved in sport activities like trekking or traveling, and you may feel sweat perception or moisture affecting your intimate discomfort. In this situation too, panty liners are the great to use so as to have completely fresh, clean and dry feelings. So you can see that there are so many benefits of using daily panty liners, and I'm sure a lot of ladies now can understand the usefulness of such a wonderful product. Now, the next important point is what type of panty liners are the best and which panty liners we should use. So in my view, for daily panty liners, you should use panty liners which are of cotton, breathable and are delicate to your skin. You can opt for Everteen Daily Panty Liners, which are the best to protect from all the intimate worries and make you feel confidently clean, dry, fresh the entire day. Everteen Daily Panty Liners are soft and comfortable for everyday use, free from all the chemicals, synthetic material. Everteen Daily Panty Liners absorb wetness instantly and help you maintain your intimate areas and panty clean, fresh and stain-free. So, just use daily panty liners and set your intimate worries free. Everteen Daily Panty Liners, protection from urine leakage and vaginal discharge.
If you want to try it today, you can order Everteen Daily Panty Liners from the site of Everteen, that is www.everteen.co.in. Or you can also buy from your favorite online store like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Nykaa, Purple, Big Basket, Paytm, ShopClues or any other. Everteen, the complete feminine intimate hygiene expert.